play with this feature. I have woken up. I did not get eaten by a bear. I'm going to eat some bacon and some eggs, and some potatoes, and then we're going to see some waterfalls. While I'm in the truck, I'm going to try to put all of today into one video. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm going to show you some really cool sights, but other than that, it's going to be Maligne Canyon, Athabasca Falls, Sunwapta Falls, Tangle Creek Falls, Panther Falls, and Maligne Canyon. Well, we're going to try to get to Maligne Canyon. It may be closed because of the fire. I don't know why it's saying closed on all trails. But we're also going to be able to try to hit Fan Falls. So here's a bit of that hike. Well, that's a hard no. Let's go for plan B. Well, it's disappointing, not disappointing. So the forest fire has closed down all the access to Fan Falls and to Maligne Canyon. So I won't be getting into there, but you know what, the forest will come back, it'll be healthy, and it'll be something to experience in the future. Touristy of me. Athabasca Falls is right on the highway. It's a super popular spot, so this isn't going to be anything new for you. Well, it's quite a crowd, so this is Athabasca Falls, Waterfall Swile. Okay, I gotta get out. Okay. I like falls like Athabasca Falls. I mean, this is impressive, but the amount of people here is kind of takes away from it. Okay, next up, Sunwapta Falls. Okay, so we're at Sunwapta Falls. Let's go check it out. So once again, I'm just going to be playing the lineup, trying to get the action shot with all the tourists. I really do like the waterfalls that nobody can get to. Well, it's kind of lame that I have a chain link fence in the way of my waterfall smile. It's there. There's the waterfall smile. I forget that there's a lower falls at Sunwapta. I've actually never been there, so I'm going to go check it out now. I'm going to reflect on something, a smell. Just the warm pine needles rotting in the ground. Kind of reminds me of working at the camp. I really miss it up there. That's a gorgeous day out. Kind of overwhelmed by how much I have to see, and now I have no data, so I gotta hit some of these waterfalls. I don't know exactly where they're at, and I've become so reliant on Apple Maps. It's kind of ridiculous. So I just gotta let her buck. We'll find out what we need to find out. It's a nice walk to Lower Sunwapta. Well, this is part of Lower Sunwapta Falls. Waterfall smile. That is definitely worth it. So that's kind of the end. I'm glad I came down. Some amazing views up here too though. So that was Upper and Lower Sunwapta. Next is Tangle Creek. Upper and Lower, and there's a few waterfalls in there. I'm gonna have to hit the book because I still got no cell service. Peace.